In this Crypto Games review, we take another look at Steem Monsters, the blockchain game that can be played by the whole family. And hang around to the end of the video to see me open a $200 card. It would be nice if I got an epic gold or even a legendary gold. Oh, we got another legendary. And this time it's a it's a corrupted Pegasus gold. Oh! Yeah, that's right. I've reviewed the Steem Monsters crypto game before, but there's a new update. And dark energy crystals have been released into the game. Now, they've brought some awesome features, but what are dark energy crystals? Well, the dark energy crystals are the official in-game currency of Steem Monsters. You can earn them in various different ways in the game, and they're used to purchase all sorts of different items and boosts that can help you rise to the top of the leaderboard. So essentially, Steem Monsters have a new in-game currency, and it allows you to buy all sorts of exciting stuff in the Steem Monsters shop. So let's take a closer look. So we have the beta packs. Now recently there was a promotion with Tron, and now you can actually purchase your beta packs with Tron as well as a number of other cryptocurrencies. And you can always use Visa, MasterCard, Amex or even PayPal to buy your booster packs. And they cost $2 each. So that hasn't changed, but the pack design has. And now the dark energy crystals have introduced potions into the game. And these potions allow you to get various different boosts. For instance, the legendary one improves the drop rate of legendary cards. The alchemy one improves the drop rate of gold foil cards. The quest potion allows you to get extra reward cards. And the mystery potion gives you a chance of receiving a daily mystery reward. So I've gone ahead and purchased one of them already. So let's see what our mystery reward is today. It's a little gift, so fingers crossed it's something awesome. Oh, we're getting a reward card. Okay, it could have been an orb which contains other reward cards, but let's see. Fail. Alright, so we got the worst card in the game as our mystery reward. How awesome is that? So let me explain a little bit more about what's available with dark energy crystals. So we can go over to Orbs and we can see that we can purchase an orb. It's similar to a booster pack, but there was only ever 200,000 of these orbs available. So you want to get in quick. So I'll put a link to Steem Monsters in the description below. So you want to go ahead and grab some of these orbs before they run out, because they have some pretty awesome cards. And if we take a look at some of the prices, including the legendary cards you can open, they range from $8 all the way up to $699 for a gold version Minotaur Warlord. So that's pretty cool. So you want to go ahead and try your luck with a few essence orbs, and we're going to buy a few of those today. They cost 2,500 dark energy crystals, and I'll show you how to earn the dark energy crystals shortly. So also in the update, we've also got a gift card. So you can purchase a gift card to give to a friend or a family member so they can play Steem Monsters without having to figure out how to get crypto. So that could be a little surprise for them. Now, the other thing you can buy with your dark energy crystals is skins for the cards. Now, the cards have been around for a year now, so it's actually refreshing to see some new skins. Now, these are just cosmetic changes, and if you've got extra dark energy crystals, well, you might want to upgrade some of your favorite characters. Now, if we go over to the open screen, we can see that I've got a booster pack already to open. I've got no orbs, and I've actually got no potions. So I'm going to go ahead and grind a little bit more because I want to purchase some orbs. So let's go back to the shop and go to Orbs. And now we're going to go ahead and purchase a promo pack. Now we get one free bonus orb with that. So I'm going to purchase that for 50,000 dark energy crystals. So I've got 21 orbs in total, but I want to get some of these potions. So let's go to the potion shop, and I want to improve the drop rate of the legendary cards. I can get a 25% increase chance with 5,000 dark energy crystals, but I'm really hoping to increase my chances by at least 100%. So that basically doubles my chances of getting legendaries. So I need 20,000 dark energy crystals for that. I only have 13,000. Now, the way that you earn dark energy crystals is to play ranked games in the Steem Monsters leagues. And the higher the rank you have, the more dark energy crystals you'll get if you win the match. So let's go ahead and try our luck here with a dragon splinter, and we'll see how we go. So I'm just going to use just a few of these standard cards, and we'll just add this guy in here. Alright, so let's just go ahead and battle this, and I'll fast forward to the result. Okay, looks like I should be able to take this game out pretty easily. Yeah, that was an easy win. I didn't even lose one of my monsters, so that was pretty cool. So when you win the match, you get some dark energy crystals, and it depends on your rating, and also what your recharge rate is like. So right now, I get a capture rate of 96%, so it's almost 100% capture rate, and I got a little bonus because I used some alpha cards inside the match. So that was pretty cool. Now we'll just close that out. And we can see we've just had a few extra dark energy crystals added to our total, but we want to get more. So the quickest way to do that is to burn a few cards that you don't require. Now I've got a few reward cards in here, and these rusty androids only cost about 1 cent each. Now I could go ahead and convert these to dark energy crystals, and one common card is equal to 15 dark energy crystals. So I'm going to need a few of those. Now I can go ahead and burn a few of these cards, but I do know if you actually burn a maxed out card, you'll actually get an extra 5% reward. So let's convert this to a max level rusty android. Now its value is $7.57, and if we convert to dark energy crystals, we can see that we'll get 7,900 dark energy crystals in return, which is about on par of the cost of an orb. So let's go ahead and make that conversion now. And as you see, our total goes up, and now we have 21,000 dark energy crystals. So let's go back to the shop and grab ourselves a legendary potion. And it has 500 charges, which means it'll last for 500 cards. So let's go ahead and make that purchase now. And we'll go back to the open screen. So first of all, I might just open a standard pack, because we also get a bit of a boost on the legendaries for that too. So this is now new. We got to drag this across to our opening screen, and let's see what happens. Okay, we're going to open up the pack. And now we've got to flip 5 cards. Wow, so we got a nice epic card there, which is pretty cool. And what else have we got? So a few commons, but an epic's pretty good for a pack. So let's just close that out, and now we're going to open up one of these orbs. Okay, so the orb is a little bit different, but let's click on that and see what happens. So the orbs have got a nice colourful back to them, so let's take a look at some of these new cards. And oh wow, going for a hat trick. Oh okay, I've got a few armor smiths and a molten ogre, so let's close that out and open another orb. Now the animations are fairly new for Steem Monsters as well, and that's what makes it a pretty cool crypto game for the family, because kids love to open packs and get surprises. So we're going for another chance at opening a legendary here, and we get a few more commons. So each pack guarantees 1 rare, so nothing special has happened so far. Okay, so we'll just open a few more of these packs, and I'll just let you know if anything super special comes in. So I've got a couple of rare cards this time, and we'll just see what we get this time here. So another rare card. Whoa, and this one's shaking. Wow, we got ourselves a legendary Lord of Fire. So that might have been the legendary booster helping us out. Let's go and check the price in the market to see what a Lord of Fire is worth. So it's currently worth $11.84. So that's not a bad return on investment. Remember, I burned that other card to help out buying this potion, and it cost me around about $7 worth of cards. So that's not bad, and I've still got quite a few orbs to open. So this time I got a common gold card, so we can have a quick look and see what that's actually worth as well. So we'll just head over to here and have a look at commons and to gold. So this is Steem Monsters, and it's a good place to find out how much your cards are actually worth. So the Enchanted Defender is actually worth $2.25. So that's not a bad card to turn gold. It would be nice if I got an epic gold or even a legendary gold, but the chances of that are pretty slim. So I think it's around about 2% chance. So let's just see how we go with some more cards. Oh, we got another legendary. And this time it's a, oh, it's a corrupted Pegasus gold. Oh, look at that. And that's currently worth $200 on the marketplace. So guys, I'm pretty stoked about that. Oh, and I got a legendary. Woohoo! Anyway, so this has been a Steem Monsters, and this has been the new Dark Energy Crystal update. So it's pretty awesome, and I'd recommend definitely getting one of these legendary potions because it may just change your luck. In fact, now I've got that, I might actually go and buy the alchemy potion too. I'll just need to go ahead and earn a few more dark energy crystals playing the game. Now don't forget, with your cards you can also play in the Steem Monster tournaments, and currently $25,000 worth of rewards have been given out, and they're for all different levels as well. So even someone with just the starter deck has a chance of winning 27 US, and it's a free to play game, so that's pretty cool too. Oh, and they have an affiliate program as well. So I'll put my affiliate link down in the description below. Go ahead and join Steem Monsters today. So take advantage of the new orbs and promo cards, because you too could turn up a legendary gold. Now, if you guys don't want to grind through the game to earn your dark energy crystals, you can also buy them on the Steam Engine Marketplace. So currently a deck is worth 0.00092 cents. So, and as you see, there's quite a healthy market at the moment. So that's pretty cool too. And one more thing I forgot to mention is the marketplace. It's quite a healthy marketplace for a trading card game, especially for a crypto game as well. So as you can see, we've had like 4,000 sales in the last 24 hours, worth around about $3,000. So it's a pretty active crypto trading card game. And like I say, it's a crypto game for the whole family. So you want to go ahead and check it out. So like I say, I'll leave the link below. And a Steem Monsters starter set is worth $10, and you get a predefined set of 30 digital trading cards. So go ahead and check out this crypto game. It's pretty cool, and the Dark Energy Crystal update adds a lot more fun to this game. Anyway guys, it's been a long video. Thanks for hanging around. And if you want to see more crypto game reviews, well then let me know in the comments below, and definitely let me know what your favorite crypto game is, and I'll be sure to check it out. So until next time, it's bye for now.